Rab Lighting started working on our scorecard. We actually call it a report card, or a progress report, about a year and a half ago. And we had 3 reasons in mind. We really wanted to professionalize our presentation. We wanted to separate ourselves from the competition. And most importantly, we really wanted to have a meaningful discussion with our key partners. Our goal was to develop a way to easily identify opportunities so that our sales and marketing people could have this top-level discussion and then come out of it with a strategy to increase sales. To Rab, the measurement of the operational efficiencies was not quite as important as finding the product and market opportunities. So that's really what our progress report focuses on. Our next step was to design the template. And when we started working on it, we received input from our top sales management, outside sales, and I also consulted a number of our key customers. What would they be looking for? What would be the best presentation that I could make for them? And so in many cases, a lot of this information kind of existed in different parts of our system, but it had never really been pulled together in a comprehensive way. And then the template was really developed with the ideal in mind. We weren't looking at what our systems could deliver. That came much later. So then once we had the template, we really needed to have our CEO really buy into it and assign the resources. And then once everyone in our organization recognized the benefit, then we were able to start the implementation. So our report card, our progress report, is very visual, it's graphic, it's very easy to understand, and it shows these opportunities graphically. So we start with the sales bar chart, and that's the first information that you see in the upper left, and looking at sales for the past 2 years and comparing year to date. The other chart is the sales by location, and the reason for the shading there is to show locations where our counter merchandising is in place. It's important to us that the branches merchandise Rab, and it's easy to see that that has paid off. Also very easy to see where there are places to improve sales in the lagging branches. We also look at performance. This is how this distributor stacks up. The percentage shows how the distributor relates to Rab nationally and also how they're doing relative to the territory. And as you can see, this distributor is a real success story. We also look at the top 10 products. You see Rab on the left, you see this distributor in the middle, and then we take a look at the market area. The yellow highlighting shows where this company and Rab kind of agree nationally, and then the blue shows how the company relates to the market area. On the very top line, you can see that the top product, both Rab and in the market area, is that WP LED 20, and what's very important to see quite clearly is that that product is missing from this distributor's top products. So we've just been able to identify an opportunity. And then the product mix, the pie chart, then goes into a little bit more detail on different product areas. And again, we're looking for areas that may be missing and may be opportunities for this distributor. We also like to look at incentive programs. This distributor is an iMark distributor. We look at our sales and marketing initiatives, our LED Champion program. Quote activity is very interesting, and then we usually follow up with details on all of the pending quotes, again, another opportunity. And then we look at use of resources. And what I mean here is that we're able to chart how much this distributor is using our applications engineering and our training opportunities. And then finally, we have what we call the takeaway, and that is, what does this all mean? We take a look at the data mostly, and you know, where are the opportunities here for this distributor? Sometimes we also include input from our sales management and regional management. We've started using the progress report really in the last few months, and our sales team just loves it. It has really benefited us, really improved our communications. We're also working very hard to kind kind of press the easy button here too, since a lot of it, about 80% of it right now, does feed automatically into the template, but there's still a fair amount of manual work involved too. But really the benefit of this report is that it's a great way to have a focused, high-level discussion that really produces results.